The best scrambled eggs in the world. Okay, we need eggs. Forgot about the eggs. It's the one thing I didn't have ready. Here's my recipe for scrambled eggs. I don't actually talk like that. Fresh eggs, you want fresh eggs. That's key. Smash them against each other, only one will crack. Dijon mustard. Salt, pepper, and a pinch of chives. Whisk. Okay, pan, butter. Generous knob of butter. The key to good scrambled eggs is to cook it low and slow. So you want the temperature really low and then go in with your mix. And just keep stirring it. You want to leave it for a few seconds, stir it again, leave it for a few seconds, stir it again, just to let the heat hit the eggs. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, and once you're at this kind of stage, take the pan off the heat and just let the residual heat of the pan finish cooking the eggs. You want to add a little bit of parmesan cheese. Just a pinch. Bread, nice bread. Good bread. Toast ready. Toasted bread. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Last but not least, pickled chilies. I got the recipe for these in another video. I'll link it up there. That finishes off. So good.
That sounded good.
Toast is hot.
Okay. That's an egg on your mouth.
Okay.